Wigton Energy, which has the largest wind farm in the English-speaking Caribbean, has entered into agreements with Mayberry Investments for arranging its needed financing. These two multi-million-dollar projects will expand Wigton's generation capacity under power purchase agreements with the Jamaica Public Service Company and will add roughly 70 megawatts of power to rebalance its asset mix from wind to solar. For the trading period of July 28, 2026, the most actively traded securities were Wigton Energy Limited with 11,001,296 units, representing 40.08% of market sales. Dermon Trading Company Limited with 3,162,483 units, representing 11.52% of market sales. Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited shares with 2,958,870 units, representing 10.78% of market sales. Investor activity remained concentrated in solar energy, transportation, and distribution plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market based on Bank of Jamaica data for July 28, 2026, Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. For the US dollar, trading margins reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling at $158.54 and buying at $157.27. For the Canadian dollar, moderate gain supported by 46 cents transaction spreads. The Canadian dollar sold for $113.08 and was bought for $112.62. For the British pound, continued volatility offered short-term trading opportunities of $3.14 in profits for the banks. The British pound sold for $210.25 and was bought for $207.11. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow, timing, and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, over the years, I've met many professionals over 45 who find themselves facing an unexpected career change. They had experience, strong leadership skills, and impressive resumes. What some lacked was a strong credit profile. When careers shift, many people need financing to start a business, relocate, bridge a temporary income gap, or invest in a new opportunity. Your credit report can influence how easily you access that capital. The best time to improve your credit isn't when you need a loan. It's while your income is stable and you have time to strengthen your financial position. Your resume may open the door. Your credit profile can help you move through it. Is your credit report preparing you for the next opportunity? Think about that question. For our funding and focus feature, the businesses that grow the fastest don't always have the most funding. They often have the clearest plan. Capital is attracted to businesses that know where they are going and how additional funding will create measurable growth. If your only goal is to solve today's cash flow challenges, you'll always be chasing money. But if your goal is to build a larger, more valuable business over the next 5 years, funding becomes part of long-term strategy, not a short-term rescue. Don't build your funding strategy around your current circumstances. Build it around your future vision. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.